back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Tia. I love doing fashion related videos over here on YouTube. Now today guys, I am back with a very fun hair tutorial, how I get my hair like this using no heat and these curling rods from Amazon. Guys, if you like the sound of that, then please keep watching. If you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you are new, don't forget to push that subscribe button and stick around and join my little family. I would absolutely love that. Make sure to follow me over on my Instagram and my TikTok, where I will post a lot more frequently than over here. Oh, I just wanted to mention that I am selling a lot of my clothes, shoes, handbags, accessories over on Vinted. I will leave it linked down below in the description box, guys. If you are looking for a bargain, honestly, go and check it out, because I'm selling things for super cheap. A lot of the things still have tags on, are new, never worn. So if you like the sound of that, please go over and check my Vinted out. So yes guys, without further ado, let me show you guys how I get these curls using this set of curling rods. I will leave it in the description below, guys. Just click on the down arrow and these will be linked below with these scrunchies and 2 hair clips. How I get these gorgeous heatless curls, guys. It is absolutely life-changing. It is absolutely amazing. Watch on to see how I do these curls. Okay guys, so I am just freshly out of the shower and I've got wet hair, although it's starting to dry, so don't let it dry. Make sure your hair is sort of, I'd say a little bit, so actually this is probably the perfect time to do it. So it's still damp, but it's sort of getting there, so about 50% dry. I'm going to cheat just a little bit and blow dry the crown of my head just to get a little bit more volume in the roots. Literally gonna blow dry my hair for about 2 to 3 minutes just to dry this area, and then I will show you what I do with my curling rods and my scrunchies. And I've also got 2 hair grips. It does actually come with 2 black clips, but I'm not sure where they are at the moment, so we're gonna use this today. Yeah, so let me go and blow dry my hair really quickly and I'll just come back. Oh, before I forget, I've also just very gently combed or brushed my hair just to get the knots out of my hair. So yeah, you don't have any sort of knots while you're doing them. It's nice and smooth and ready to go. So yeah, I'm just gonna go and blow dry my hair, the crown of my head, really quickly. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have blow dried the crown of my hair just to get a bit of volume at the roots. Okay, so now let me show you what I do. The length of my hair is still wet and this is the perfect time to do it. Now normally I would do this at night time and leave it overnight to develop, but I just didn't feel like doing it last night. I was tired, came back from work late, so we are doing it this morning. But as long as you can keep it in for a good 3 hours, I've noticed that 2 to 3 hours is really all you need. Any less than that, it won't stay. I think you'd need at least 2 to 3 hours. So today I am going to try and leave them in for at least 3 hours. So let's go ahead and do this. Okay. Right, so what I do is I place it on the crown of my head. I'm literally going to use the camera as a mirror, so please bear with me. Okay, so then I'm going to pin this side in place with one of my clips. Feel free to use any clips that you've got. Now Kirby grips probably won't be strong enough. I think you need a bigger clip just to hold it in place with the root of your hair, just there. And then get the other side. Also what I've done is I've halved my hair and I've brought it all to the front. So you've got the left side and you've got the right side. Okay, so then get the next clip. Excuse the frizzy hair, but just go with it and trust the process that it will look good. trust me. Okay, so now that they're clipped in place, I will definitely look crazy while I'm doing this. So yeah, that's not what that matters. We're gonna roll with it, guys. It's about the ending, the finished product. Okay, so then what do I do? Make sure you have these little scrunchies in place as well. These are silk scrunchies, so they're good for the hair. They don't sort of pull on the hair, which is really, really good. Okay, so what I do now is I'll take a little section from the front. I will kind of twist it a little bit, and then I'll go around the rod, bring it forward, and then I will take the next little section like that and bring them together, and then wrap it around the rod as so, like that. Bring it around the front, and then I've already grabbed some hair here already, and then here we go. So the process is every time you come back round, you pick up a bit of hair, you wrap it around the rod, and make sure you keep it really tight around the rod. That's how you'll get some really good curls. Okay, there we go. Doesn't matter if your hair is short or long. Like, these rods are quite long, and you'll see my hair will end up about here. So long-haired ladies, you are good, and short-haired ladies, this is good for you too. So there we go, a bit more hair, twist and around. There we go. It's actually really, really quick once you get hang of it. Yeah, I can do this really, really quickly. There we go, wrap. And then you've got the last bit of hair, and I'll just wrap that all the way around the rod. I like to keep it really tight and all together here like that. So yeah, as you can see, I've got all of this rod left, so you kind of push the hair upwards. So yeah, they really work for all different lengths of hair, which is what I love about it. I mean, I don't have the thickest of hair, so obviously if you've got thicker hair, it still works. So and it works for thin hair like mine as well. I've got volume, but the thickness is not so much, but there we go. Right, and then I get the scrunchie and basically make it sure that the hair is tight and it stays curled around the rod. So make sure I secure it in place with this scrunchie. Okay, now that's one side done. I've tried to keep this really, really tight, as you can see. So now let's go on to this side. Make sure to keep it really, really tight. As you can see, I've done it. It's really, really tight around the curling rod. And yeah, last bit of hair, just wrap it around. Guys, I've literally done this in like 3 or 4 minutes. It really doesn't take that long at all. So for all you ladies with busy lifestyles, this is like a godsend, honestly. And it's so much better for your hair not to be using curling tongs, not to be using GHDs, you know, to curl your hair, or using your straighteners to curl your hair. Yeah, I haven't used heat to sort of style my hair in a very, very long time, and this is now my go-to process. The most amazing invention ever. So yeah. Ooh. If you guys have been following me for a while, I actually did a hair video of how I get my curls. I think it was last year now, and I used to do these Princess Leia buns, as my sister would like to call it. These tight little buns, leave them for a couple of hours, and I would you know, take my hair down and it'll be curly. But I noticed that I don't know if it was the best for my hair. It was always, you know, really, really tight. I don't know if that was damaging my hair or not. I wasn't sure, and it wasn't the most comfortable either. But this is so comfortable. You can sleep like this. You can go and do your household chores, do your makeup. Yeah, like just go around like this, and it's, yeah, super, super comfortable. Not tight on the hair at all. It feels very, very secure now that I've got those scrunchies in place. So yeah, this is what your hair should look like. Just show the back. Yeah, this is what it should look like. And yeah, I'm gonna now go and do my makeup, do some chores, get some bits done, and yeah, I will catch up with you guys in a couple of hours. I will take these down and we'll see the finished product.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so it has actually been 5 hours since I last spoke to you guys. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon and I did my last video about 11 o'clock. So yeah, these babies have had a long time to develop, so pretty much the same as doing it overnight, which I would normally do. It would probably get another hour or two overnight, but yeah. So guys, I have, as you can see, done my makeup, I've had lunch, we've had a cup of tea, and yeah, got a few bits done. So here we are. I wanted to now take these out, ready for the evening. Gonna go over to my in-laws. So yes, makeup done, dressed, and we're good to go. So let me show you the next process of taking these out. So starting by one scrunchie at a time. So I'll start with my left side first. So I'm gonna take this one out, and my hair feels fully dry now, which it should be after this long. So I'm gonna take that one out. Then let's take the right side out. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna take these clips out. The reason I actually like these particular rods in general is because it's got the flat head and it just sits nicely on top of your hair with the clips. So I do really like that design. I've seen some where it's the full rod, the full way. I actually prefer this design, but I think they all work exactly the same, but I just prefer this slightly more. So yeah, now guys, wait for the reveal. I just kind of ease it out of my hair like so, and yeah, you're obviously left with these kind of curls here, and it's just a bit of a process kind of easing these curls out. So what I'm going to do is grab a little piece of hair each time and ease it out so it's not all one big curl like this, and then kind of twist and go like that. So these have created quite tight curls, as you can see, but bear in mind they do drop during the day, so I'll try and do a little update as well to show you guys what it looks like after a couple of hours and how it's dropped in my hair. But when they first come out, they do look like this. You can also run your hands through them completely at the end if you really want to get the beachy wave sort of a texture in your hair. But yeah, I quite like the ringlets, and because I know that over time it will drop out, so I do like the different looks that I do get with these curling rods. These last literally until the next time I wash my hair, which is incredible. So my texture, my hair texture in general, is it's quite textured. It's not the silkiest, so they do tend to keep. I do put hairspray in as well. I'll show you guys in a little bit. And I'm just going to brush them out softly like this, so it's not too pronounced, all the curls. There we go. And then the next part. There we go. Here we go. But yeah, if you do have more silky hair, I have watched a couple of YouTube videos where it does work on your hair even if it is silky as well. It may not last as long as someone with more textured hair like mine, but with hairspray I think these will last you quite well. Like if it lasts me till my next wash, it's absolutely incredible. I love it. It's literally my go-to hairstyle. I am so lazy when it comes to hair. Yeah, it's literally my afterthought. When I'm fully ready, got my hair done, got my outfit done, I'm like, what do I do with my hair? Like, so I think these overnight curls just make getting ready so much easier if you've got a busy life. Hair is the last thing I want to be thinking about, especially when it's this long. It's pretty low maintenance, to be honest, if you do it like this. Do a proper shakeout when I've got the full hair out. Okay, so that's one side. Let's now crack on with the other. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is what I am kind of left with. It looks like I've literally gone for a big blow dry somewhere in a salon, but no, I have used these $6.99 curling rods from Amazon, which is absolutely insane. Like, this is my go-to hairstyle. I've been using it for a couple of months now, so I wanted to use it for a little while so I can give you guys a proper review and a proper tutorial. And now what I'll do is actually seal the curls in with a hairspray. So let me just quickly grab my hairspray. Okay guys, so I have just gotten the hairspray here. Also these fringe bits, you know, if you wanted, you could just fix them with some straighteners, but I actually think it looks absolutely fine, so I'm not going to do that. So yeah, let me get this hairspray. This is the big mood hairspray that my sister got me ages ago, and it's lasted absolutely ages. So let me just go in with that. Okay, I think that should do the trick, and honestly guys, this will last me days, and I don't wash my hair that often, so it will last me a good number of days until I wash my hair again. And I absolutely love the look of these big bouncy curls that it gives. So yes, absolutely love it. Ooh, let me just change the angle of this camera so you can see more of my hair. There we go. Yeah, so that's how I get my hair, you guys. Okay guys, I really hope you enjoyed watching this little hair tutorial, how I get these heatless curls using these $6.99 curling rods from Amazon. I hope it gave you some inspiration to try them out yourself. Give it a go. Honestly guys, this is life-changing. I absolutely love my hair like this. It was literally zero effort. So honestly, go and try them. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really does help my channel out. Go and follow me over on my Instagram and my TikTok. That will be absolutely fabulous. I would love it if you would, and subscribe if you're new. I love doing videos on fashion, lifestyle and vlogs, so there's lots more to come. So yes guys, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah. Bye now. Hey guys, just wanted to do an update on how the hair is looking on day 2. As you can see, it's fallen out a little bit more on that side, but overall I'm liking the looser kind of waves. So yeah, this is day 2 guys.